Good day, YouTube. This is Jay with Falling Forward Financial. I just found another article. I already made a NIO and a Tesla video just today and probably yesterday. Actually, more than one, because that's what everybody's talking about, and just lots of information out there. Anyway, maybe a lot of you out there have already seen this one, but anyway, there's some information here that I didn't include in my other video as I just came across this one. But anyway, NIO and Tesla shares rise after record vehicle deliveries. And again, I don't give tax, legal, trading advice, don't tell you when to buy or sell, just state my opinion and bring in some information your way in regards to the EV cars, electronic vehicles. Anyway, NIO is starting 2021 with record electric vehicle deliveries for its latest quarter and the launch of a used car service and trading platform. And as I told you in my last video, NIO Day is coming up on the 9th, and I'm calling out a $60 price on the stock. So we'll see if I'm right or not. You can leave in the comments what you're shooting for, and we'll see who's right by the end of the week or next Monday. Anyway, the Chinese EV company plans to invest $460 million over 5 years into a nationwide network called NIO Services. The platform includes vehicle inspection, evaluation, acquisition, and sales. Separately on Sunday, NIO announced record deliveries for December, as well as 17,353 vehicles delivered last quarter, an increase of 111% year over year. Overall, the company's yearly deliveries rose 112% in 2020 to 43,728 vehicles. And I suppose this year, who knows, maybe they'll double that for all we know. NIO outperformed in 2020 among the EV players, with the stock up 1,112.4%. That's just amazing. If you have any NIO shares that you paid $2, $3, $10, $15, leave that in the comment. That would be very interesting to know, and I would be very jealous. So anyway, not so much, but probably would be. That's our human nature. But last year, the company beat delivery estimates month after month, and you can go ahead and read the rest for yourself. But still, Tesla, and I mean NIO and Tesla both had great days. I think they hit highs. I would have to double check that for sure, but I'm pretty positive. Which rose 743.4% in 2020, dwarfs NIO in terms market share and size. So Tesla's the bigger dog, the alpha. So anyway, for now, NIO only delivers in China, while Tesla vehicles are available in Asia, US, and Europe. But again, that could change for NIO. We will wait and see. Tesla delivers 180,570 vehicles in the fourth quarter, reaching a total of 499,550, just shy of the 500,000 target. And here's a tweet from Elon. You can go ahead and read that yourself. And money has poured into the electronic vehicle space during the pandemic as Chinese EV makers Xpeng and Li Auto debuted on the public markets in 2020. Xpeng is up 101% and Li rose 75%. QuantumScape, the solid-state battery company, which went public via a SPAC just a couple of months ago, increased 753% by the close of 2020. I was going to make a video about them. I still may. I've been watching them, and they just kind of had a crap day, if you will. So you can see as I brought it up here. So anyway, you see the nice run up, and then down the ski slope. So anyway, just wanted to bring that quick article to your attention and finish off with watching this video. I thought was pretty interesting. You can see a NIO car. Beautiful car.
Des Ray is joining us now because everything is Tesla, Tesla, Tesla. But you know, NIO is getting some action here.
It sure is. The Chinese electric vehicle company just reported its third quarter results, beating on the top and the bottom line, coming in with revenue of $666.6 million. That came in above estimates. Its adjusted loss per share came in at 14 cents. That's narrower than what the street had been expecting. Its gross margin was 12.9%. That was also a beat. And the company also raised its revenue guidance. That beat estimates. The company says that it's going to be seeing deliveries anywhere between 16,500 to 17,000 vehicles for the fourth quarter. And in their earnings release, founder William Bin Lee highlighted basically a record quarterly deliveries of over 12,000 vehicles in the third quarter, also followed by its best ever monthly deliveries of 5,055 vehicles in October. The stock year to date is up over 1,000%. In after hours, I've seen that it's been a bit volatile. I believe it's down right now. It was in the green earlier. The street has 11 buy ratings on this stock, 5 holds and 2 sells. But really, the NIO story has been its acceleration as far as deliveries are concerned, month over month this year, with October being a record high. Also, leasing its batteries, announcing a launch of leasing its batteries during the third quarter. Its battery swap technology, which it has, and also a liquidity injection that it received during the pandemic. So a lot of bulls out there as far as NIO is concerned.
And as when you take a look at these numbers, though, I mean, 1,000% gain that you were talking about in the stock, how much of this is a bet on the future? Because when you take a look and drill down into the numbers, the vehicle deliveries that you rattled off aren't that impressive when you stack it up against many of the other automakers. And then, of course, they also don't have a lot of vehicles just in terms of models. And I know we're supposed to expect some new models in the not too distant future, but I still think, though, when you take a look at the stock performance, it almost doesn't add up to what we're seeing from NIO so far.
And that's why you also had short seller Citron Research last Friday, which basically said that the stock is going to go to $25 a share. He said that that valuation just can't be justified, citing basically Tesla's market share, its size. And look, when you compare Tesla to NIO, yes, Tesla is much bigger. I mean, NIO had over 5,000 deliveries in October, but Tesla, last year, NIO had 20.5 thousand deliveries. Tesla had 368,000 deliveries. So you can see that Tesla has much larger deliveries. Last month, Tesla delivered more than double what NIO delivered. So, but as far as the pace at which NIO is growing, that's what you're looking at. And you're right, a lot of this is based on the future. Also, keep in mind that the electric vehicle space has had a lot of tailwinds from a lot of capital that's been flowing into these companies. So as Tesla has surged, so have some of these other EV startups. In fact, you had Xpeng's vice chairman just last week that was talking to Brian Sozzi, saying that the rise of Tesla has helped his company. And also, of course, the incentives in China against air pollution, because China wants to have 25% of its vehicles by 2025 being electric vehicles. So certainly this is what's helping out these EV startups. But NIO is one to watch, one that analysts have been watching, and many analysts saying that they can coexist, that you can't have Tesla and NIO coexisting in China.
So there you have it. Sorry, I was asleep at the wheel there, looking at something else. Anyway. Might get in trouble for showing that video, but I thought it was really interesting, and that's just a beautiful car. So anyway, that's it for this video. Just going over the NIO and Tesla shares if you haven't seen them already, and they're going to have a great year. So again, this is Jay, Falling Forward Financial. What are you waiting for? Hit that like button, jump on it, kick it, smack it, body slam one of your family members on it, however you have to highlight it, and also subscribe. I'm trying to hit 100 here by the time my videos load. We're almost there. Might have surpassed that on this video, so we'll see you in the next one. I'm sure there'll be more NIO and Tesla videos this week, and we'll see y'all in the next one. Happy trading and stay green. Cheers.